rounding. When you round a number, you are finding the number that is closest to that. So it's more or less like finding the estimate. It's not the exact number, but it could go up or it could go down. So there is something else I like to say for this too. So 5 and up, round up. 4 and down, round down. So that means 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, makes your number go up. And 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 makes your number go down. Okay, so remember that. And then also knowing that it is place value, you have to know where your ones place is, your tens place is, and your hundreds. Okay, that is very key. You know what? I have a little cheat code for that. Ones, tens, hundreds. Now, if you write that on your paper, that is a little key that can kind of help. We have the number 364, and we want to round 364 to the nearest 100. Okay, so let's go ahead and see that. So first, you have to determine which number is in the hundreds place. Is it the 4? Is it the 6? Or is it the 3? And you might say, I don't know, Mr. Ever, I'm kind of confused. That's how we made our cheat code up here. So we have our ones, which is 4, our tens, which is 6, and our hundreds, which is 3. And we're trying to round to the nearest 100, underline the number that is in the hundreds place, which is the 3. Now that we have underlined the 3, we look back at the number right behind it. So we're at the hundreds, and we look right behind it, which is the tens. So now remember the phrase that I said, 5 and up, round up. 4 and down, round down. So this 6 will make this 3 go up, and it turns into a 4. And so now I'm pretty sure you're wondering, well, what do I do with the rest of them? You turn them into zeros. So 364 rounded to the nearest 100 is 400. $528 rounded to the nearest 10 is what we're going to look at for this problem, okay? So again, figuring out our numbers, what place value they're in. So the 8 is in the ones, the 2 is in the tens, and the 5 is in the hundreds. And they want to round to the nearest 10. So we need to find the number that is in the tens place. So if we look at our chart, we look at our numbers, we know that the 2 is in the tens place. So now we need to go back and look at the ones and see, would that 8 make that 2 go up or stay the same? So that 2 would actually go up to a 3. Now I'm pretty sure you're just like, well, wait, so then what do you do with that? We don't even touch that. If you're rounding to the nearest 10 and this is the hundreds, you don't even have to touch that number. So that term still stays into a 5. And then the 8 turns into a 0. So 528 rounded to the nearest 10 will give you 530.